Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm English Made Simple, your English coach and language learning buddy. In today's full lesson, we're going to talk about something every English learner wants to know. How to improve your English vocabulary quickly, naturally, and for life. If you've ever felt like you don't have enough words when you speak, you understand words but forget them quickly, or you want to sound more fluent, expressive, and confident, then this is the video for you. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Part 1. Why vocabulary matters. Vocabulary is the heart of a language. Without grammar, you can say little. But without vocabulary, you can say nothing. Think of English as a tree. Grammar is the structure, the branches and trunk. Vocabulary is the leaves and fruit, the real meaning. So, improving your vocabulary equals improving your ability to express yourself. But wait, don't just memorize long word lists. Let's learn how to build vocabulary the smart way. Part 2. Understand the 4 types of vocabulary. Before we talk about strategies, we need to understand what vocabulary really is. There are 4 types. Listening vocabulary, words you understand when you hear them. Reading vocabulary, words you understand when you read. Speaking vocabulary, words you can say confidently. Writing vocabulary, words you can write and use properly. You probably know more words in listening and reading than you can use in speaking or writing. That's normal. Our goal is to move words from passive, you recognize them, to active, you can use them. Part 3. Best strategies to improve vocabulary. Here are the 8 best proven methods for growing your English vocabulary effectively. 1. Read every day. Reading is the one way to naturally grow your vocabulary. Start with materials at your level or slightly above. Graded readers. Children's books. News websites like BBC Learning English. Short stories or comics. Tip: use the 5-finger rule. If you find more than 5 words on one page you don't know, it's too hard. While reading, highlight or underline new words. Don't stop for every word. Get the meaning from context. Add 5 to 10 useful words to your vocab notebook. 2. Use a vocabulary notebook or app. Create your own vocab system. Write the word. Write a definition in your own words. Use it in a sentence. Add a synonym or opposite. Maybe draw a picture or emoji. Or use apps like Anki, spaced repetition. Quizlet, Memrise, Fluent. Spaced repetition equals you review words right before you forget them. Super powerful. 3. Learn words in context, not isolation. Don't learn, abandon, verb. Learn, she abandoned the project after a few weeks. Why? Because context helps memory. Also try learning phrases, not just single words. Make up your mind equals decide. Run out of time equals have no time left. 4. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, you heard me. Practice thinking out loud in English or describing your day. I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm putting on my shoes. You'll discover which words you don't know, and that's what you should learn next. 5. Use new words actively, immediately. Here's the rule. Use a new word 3 to 5 times in the first 24 hours, or you'll forget it. So, after learning a word, use it in a sentence. Use it in writing. Say it in conversation. Post it online, even in a comment. Use it or lose it. 6. Watch movies and TV with subtitles. Start with English subtitles, then try turning them off later. Focus on everyday vocabulary and expressions. Pause and repeat lines. Write down 3 to 5 useful words or phrases per episode. Great beginner-friendly shows are Friends, The Office, Modern Family, Extra English, designed for learners. 7. Group words by theme. Instead of random lists, learn words in topics. Food, apple, knife, delicious. Travel, passport, flight, delayed. Emotions, happy, nervous, proud. Your brain loves patterns. This helps deep memory and makes speaking easier. 8. play word games. Learning can be fun. Try Wordle, crossword puzzles, Scrabble, online or app, vocabulary quizzes, ESL YouTube channels with interactive lessons, like this one. Part 4, Mini Practice Activity. Let's try it. Here are 5 useful vocabulary words from this video. Word, their meaning, and example. Abandon, to give up or leave something. She abandoned her old car. Confident, sure of yourself. He feels confident speaking. Strategy, a plan to succeed. This is a great learning strategy. Vocabulary, words you know and use. My vocabulary is growing. Context, the situation around a word. I learn the word in context. Now you try. Make your own sentence using confident in the comments. Part 5, Recap and Weekly Practice Plan. Recap, how to build your vocabulary fast. 1. Read daily. 2. Use spaced repetition. 3. Learn in context. 4. Practice speaking. 5. Use new words often. 6. Watch and listen in English. 7. Organize by themes. 8. Play and enjoy the process. Your 7-day vocabulary plan. Day 1. Learn 5 new words from a story. Day 2. Watch a show and write 5 phrases. Day 3. Review and use 10 words in sentences. Day 4. Play a vocab game, Wordle or quiz. Day 5. Talk about your day in English. Day 6. Learn 5 theme words, e.g., emotions. Day 7. Use 15 words in a short paragraph. Vocabulary is not about how many words you know. It's about how many words you can use. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice every day. And enjoy the journey of learning. Drop your favorite English word in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more lessons like this. And check out our next video, How to Think in English Without Translating. It's a game changer.